how to log in to Roblox account without two-step verification. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to recover your Roblox account if you can't log in of two-step verification. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, before starting anything, let me tell you the truth. So if two-step verification is enabled, you cannot bypass it directly on Roblox. However, you can still recover your account using official recovery method. So here, with that being said, let's move forward with the method 1, that is to use the backup codes. So here, if you have saved your backup codes when enabling two-step verification, then what you can do is just go to the login page of Roblox, and there you can just enter your username and password, and there when asked for verification code you can just select backup code and enter one of your saved backup codes, and this will allow you to log in. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to use the email verification. So here, if your Roblox account is linked to an email, then what you can do is you can just go to the login page of the Roblox. And now here, once you are inside the login page, what you can do is just enter your email, and after that you can just click on forget password or username, and after that you can simply enter your email address and follow the instruction sent to your email to reset your password and verify your account. And that's it. That's how you can recover your Roblox account if you can't log in because of two-step verification. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.